In astrology, 0 degrees is considered an important point, particularly when it is found at the beginning of a zodiac sign or in one of the 4 cardinal signs, Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn. This is because 0 degrees represents the beginning or initiation of a new energy cycle. When a planet or point in a natal chart is at 0 degrees, it can indicate a strong sense of new beginnings or fresh starts in the area of life associated with that planet or point. For example, someone with Venus at 0 degrees Aries may have a strong desire for new romantic beginnings or creative projects. Additionally, transiting planets at 0 degrees can also be significant, particularly when they form aspects with other planets or points in the chart. For example, a transit of the Sun or another planet at 0 degrees Aries can signify the beginning of a new solar year or a fresh start in personal identity and self-expression. Overall, 0 degrees is an important point in astrology because it represents the start of a new cycle, and can indicate a strong sense of initiation or new beginnings in the areas of life associated with the planet or point at that degree.